Hey, I'm Gersh.
And I'm Kai. We're the Co-CEOs of Virtuoso Energy.
Thanks for joining us. This is a really interesting time, Kai, that we're going through right now. I know we've built a brand. It's been 6 years, and it's gone by so quickly, but I'm really excited for this next stage.
I'm as well, Gersh. There's exciting times. Actually, this will be our third name change. We went from Virtuoso Electric to Virtuoso Energy, and now, drum roll, just kidding, we're going to Zeno Renewables. So this will be a whole new embodiment of the brand itself. It'll be the same feel, but we'll kind of get into on why and how we're doing that.
Yeah, it's interesting. A lot of the times when you have companies like ours, the focus is lacking. With this name change and brand change, there's going to be so much focus coming. There's been so many amazing projects that we've been a part of over the years, but now we know where we need to focus, and that's on residential home solar solutions. And how we've gotten to that conclusion is because we've had everybody around us, right? Like we've got an awesome team, an amazing community, and fantastic clients, people that have believed in us and have gotten us to where we are today. And it always goes back to the why. There was a time where, we were sitting in my backyard, we're working in a basement, in a garage, like everywhere, right? Just trying to figure out what our why is. And it was always because we knew that this climate crisis was looming. It's a problem that we had to fix. And we've worked ourselves to the bone. The team has as well too, and so have our clients by really, putting their money where their mouths are, being a part of this journey.
Yeah, and I think just to add to that as well, one of the biggest things from the beginning was always customer service for us. I think we always took that to heart, especially in the trades, is being able to work well for customers and being able to give them the best experience when you're dealing with, whether it's Virtuoso Electric, Virtuoso Energy, and now Zeno Renewables. The customer experience won't change, and I think that is a big aspect of this brand launch, is that we want to bring that same feel of Gersh and Kai in a basement to the amount of team members we have now and being able to portray that as well. So super cool aspect of it. Yeah,
and we're going to put a pretty big goal out there, right? It's going to be 1 million homes by 2040. And a lot of people will be like, well, what the heck? That seems like a really big number, but it's not. And the reason being is because you have chosen to believe in us. Our team believes in us, we believe in us, and we believe in everybody else that's around us. And when you have that kind of power, goals can be achieved very easily. So, in closing, thank you for everything that you've done, and thank you for joining us on this journey for achieving and installing solar solutions on 1 million homes by
2040, as well as come with us and you can lead the charge.